Today I'm going to show you how to bulletproof this Wastegate. This is the engine I just built to put on my Toyota Supra, which is just waiting a little fresh paint on the engine bay, and this is going to go in. We're going to open this guy and Loctite the bolts so we are sure that nothing is going to come loose. The Wastegate is actually used to dump extra pressure that goes to the turbo so you don't exceed whatever PSI. So for example, you can decide that you have 20 PSI and this is going to guarantee that you don't run 25 PSI. And this is the exhaust side. This side here is what makes the intake spin, which is this guy. They are connected, and what happens is air gets out of the engine through those pipes here. This is split in two, gets into this turbo, it makes it spin like crazy. So this spins. As this spin, it makes the front spin, which sucks more air, and then pushes air here, goes to the intake, more air in, more air out. And now the exhaust, as opposed to as before, there would come 6 pipes here and go to the exhaust and go under the car. The exhaust is going to come out of here. So this goes out, spin this guy, and then gets the air, sucks out of here and goes to the exhaust. This here, on the other hand, is the pipe that holds the Wastegate. And we have a spring inside. As you see, it's closed. So all the air that is coming out of this to spin the turbo is going to hit the wall here and keep going. So the pressure is going to stay steady in there. Once it reaches, let's say 14 PSI that is in here, this is going to open and let some air come out of here, and this is going to have the dump pipe coming out of this side. So let's go and bulletproof this guy just to be sure that's going to work properly in our engine. What we are trying to avoid here, as you see it's opening, we don't want one of those bolts to get all the torsion that's going to happen when we start opening a few of them. You might screw, yeah, see this here? Yeah, I needed one more on this side here. I'm gonna squeeze in my hands and just go. Okay, it's open. Okay, so now we take the top part of the Wastegate. Looks very good actually. We're gonna take the spring. We're gonna remove this here. So we're gonna put different Allen wrench in there. Okay, so I can. Yeah, this is very good. I'm not going to mess with those. I'm just going to try. But usually you would take those and put blue Loctite or something. Look, it's very, very good. Whatever they put in there was great. I'm going to leave it. The diaphragm is just to be sure that the air that is there stays there. So we put a little bit of blue Loctite like that. Gonna go up just to be sure this is good. Now to put it together, we're going to do like this. Put a piece of wood on the bottom. We need to be 100% sure that this here is all in the proper place. And again, if you push the bottom, everything goes up, okay? So you need to put down. You see that this is out. You just slide your finger around and this is going to go right into place. You can push with your hands, not a big deal. I'm going to put 1 drop of this in each one of those bolts here. Basically what we are doing, we are sure that we have a good spring that we need inside, and we also are sure that everything's tight. So this Wastegate is ready to roll. Even though I bought this on eBay, I like it. I think the quality of this one is very good, but it's always good to open and check what is inside, what you're doing, how you're doing, what you're going to put in your car to guarantee that if you run 22 PSI, you let only 22 PSI through, and everything that's over goes to the dump pipe. Don't forget to subscribe, watch out for the next video, and thanks for the support, guys. And